Today we are looking at the brand new 2023 Atlas Cross Sport, and this is going to be the SEL trim level. In today's video I'm going to talk about the features, walk around the exterior, and then walk around the interior. Without further ado, let's go ahead and start the review. So this is going to be the SEL trim level, which is going to be the third trim level from the Atlas Cross Sport. We have the SE, which is the basic, SE with technology, which is kind of like a level 2, and then we have the SEL, and above that is SEL R line, meaning that is going to be the blackout package. This is going to be the SEL. It looked like it is blacked out because there's some work has been done on it with West Houston Volkswagen. So let me just walk you through the front end. So on the front end, ladies and gentlemen, you're going to have full LED headlights, LED day running lights as well. And let me tell you a little hack to know the difference between an SE and an SEL. So for the headlights, you notice how the day running lights on the SEL, actually there's two L's light up. On the SE or SE with technology, there's only one going to be light up, so it looks a little bit more aggressive for sure. This one, like I said, has been in a shop with West Houston Volkswagen. We've done some customization like we do on some of our cars, so we blacked out the whole grille to make it look like an SEL R line. So for the front end, this car actually offers a lot of things. You got front sensors, which means you're gonna have emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, keep laning assist is going to be available, as well as fog lights and cornering lights in this segment as well. So going back to the side, this where it gets a little bit more fun. Like I said, this car has been customized. We actually put a black wheels on it. We painted the brake cover. I mean, just look at this. The combination of black and gray is just so sick. We had to do this. We also blacked that out as well. And you notice there's supposed to be a chrome over here, but we blacked this out. So basically this is an SEL R line on a budget. If you don't want to spend 3-4 more grand, we can do this here at West Houston Volkswagen. Let's walk you to the back. The side of the Cross Sport is just so amazing. I love the design. It kind of look like a Lamborghini Urus. On the back, this where it gets more exciting. You do have a really nice, beautiful LED tail lights. Look at this. It's so sick. Back design of this car is so sporty. It looks really amazing. So you do have LED tail lights as well. And here it says SEL V6, which we also blacked out as well to make it as close to an SEL R line as possible. The car looks so nice. I love the Cross Sport design, front end and also on the side. It just looks so cool. So on the inside, the Cross Sport only is going to be a 5-seater. So the back seat of this car is actually quite amazing. Look at this. You have a full leatherette interior, and on the Cross Sport you get something special on the interior that you don't get on a regular Atlas, which is a carbon fiber skin that is integrated to the seats and that continue all the way down here as well. So in the back of the Atlas Cross Sport, you would have air vents as well as USB-C chargers and an actual outlet that you can charge your laptop or whatever you bring into the car. You also going to have a panoramic sunroof, so the seats actually can recline more to the back for your comfort. Let's walk away to the front. So in the front, you will notice more difference between this one and the SE with technology trim level. For instance, you would actually have a memory seats in this car as well as power seats, both driver and passenger as well. You also have Digital Dash Pro, which means you're going to have built-in navigation. Let me show you a little bit about that. And I can change the view. And this one, you actually have a full view of the map if you choose to, because this is the Digital Pro. You have built-in navigation versus the SE with technology where you don't have that, but you still also have Apple CarPlay and Auto wireless connecting, as well as a wireless charger. And on SEL trim level, there is going to be all-wheel drive. The backup camera is really great in Atlas in general. It just looks so nice. So you got heated seats. So you also have panoramic sunroof, as you guys can see. And over here you do have heated seats and heated steering wheel and adaptive cruise control, including keep laning assist. That's one thing the SE with technology is missing. So the only difference between this one and the SE with technology is that this one has adaptive cruise control and keep laning assist, and it has a Digital Pro, including built-in navigation and memory seats as well as power front seats. So if you want to save a little bit of money, you can go to the SE with technology, but Yep, if you care about luxury, you want a little bit more luxurious interior, then you will go with the SEL. In conclusion, the Atlas Crossport is really beautiful car. And it has a lot of body line, it looks sporty, it looks aggressive. If you're looking for a spacious car, but you don't want a mom car, then you go with a Crossport. This is my review, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for watching. And if you live in Houston, Texas, do not forget to come and visit West Houston Volkswagen and ask for Amar, and I'll be able to help you personally. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, and I'll see you soon. Peace out.